Welcome back to Having Fun Wherever We Go. Today, we are going into the Mitsukoshi store. Oh, they've been in business since 1673. The date 1673 marks the year that Mitsukoshi was originally founded in Tokyo. The store has been in continuous operation for over 350 years, making it one of the oldest and most historic retail institutions in Japan. Well, this should be a lot of fun, and we invite you to come along. Here's a cute little puchako. $30. Oh, look at that. How cute. 28.
I looked over there and
Mushroom heads. Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, wow. Now that's a cool pillow. Wow, look at that. What do they want for them? 60, 50, 59.95 for Sonic the Hedgehog. Cute. Yeah, they got a lot of different ones in here. Pretty cool. There's the turtle. Very nice. I love it. Oh, look at this Pikachu bag. Pikachu bag running $34.95. Such a cute bag. Yeah, what's this Pokemon with Pikachu? It's a model kit. Looks like you put them together yourself. How cool. And that's what they want for it. $16.95. This store's chock full of neat stuff. Try to show you what I can. There's way more than I can show you. And I don't know half the stuff myself. If you see a character in here you like, leave in the comments what it is. I'd love to know. And this one is $38. Oh, look at these plants. I think you put them together. Yeah, oh, see, you buy a kit like this. A wooden flower puzzle is what it is. That's pretty cool. And there it is right there put together. And $19.95 for this wooden flower puzzle. And look at these cans. They're puzzles you put together. Oh, and here's one in a box. It's a 3D puzzle can. And the price, $23.95. Yeah, neat idea. All right, who's that in the cage? That's pretty cool. And there's another character in the cage here. Who is he? Or she? Nice coffee mugs. $16.95 for the coffee mug. Oh, this one's $20.95. It's a little bigger. Yeah, these are 11 ounces. These are 16 ounces. Oh, cool. Godzilla's in the cage. Look at those Godzillas. Are they cool? Oh, yeah. Oh, that is cool. Here's one for sale. $26.95. Check out the shark. Shark Kitty. Posture Pal. $49.95. Very cute. Here's another posture pal. Oh, they do pearl searching over there. And right now that's what's going on. There's people over there and they're going to open up some oysters and see what type of pearl they find. They found a pearl and they're measuring it right now. Look at that. Very exciting. Yay! That is so cool. And they make a big show about it too. It's really nice. Very nice. That's another thing about coming in here is you get to see that pearl show, which is really cool. Oh, they have bonsais here. Eve's Garden. This one is $35.95. What are in these little boxes? Japanese juniper. It's the bonsai seed kit. That's if you want to experience the hobby of growing a bonsai tree from seed, you'd buy one of these. You can get the Japanese juniper, the cherry blossom. What would one run you though? $17.95 for that. So that's a boxwood ginch, 6-inch. Oh, 6-inch. $25.95. Oh, look at that. Now that would be a complicated puzzle. So it's probably multiple different puzzles. Like here is the 3D puzzle, the evergreen pine bonsai. It's a 3D puzzle. Pretty cool. And there it is in the back there, all put together. And then that colorful pink one, that's a Sakura bonsai. The bonsai pine looks kind of like a Lego style. This is a mini fan card. With these, oh yeah, bookmarkers. These are bookmarkers. The dancing cat, geisha cat. Pretty cool bookmarker there. $19.50 for that bookmarker. Oh yeah, don't think I'm going to show you everything. I'm just going to touch on a few things here, show you what's in. Maybe I'll give you an idea of the store, but you got to come in and see for yourself all the different stuff in here. These are erasers. Food erasers, looks like. A set of erasers will run you $7.95. They do sell jewelry in here too. Nice assortment of shirts. Oh, some of them quite decorative. Wow. Oh yeah, these are really cool. I like them. Oh, look at that one. $49.95 for that t-shirt. But, I mean, that's a quality made shirt right there. Well, they do have hats. And of course, they have this nice dragon hat. Now, this is really cool, isn't it? Yeah. Really nice dragon hat. $36.95 for this hat. Not bad. Not bad price for that type of hat. Check out these fish hats. A nice blue one. That's cool. Green. Oh, I love how they do that, you know? You'd be styling out there fishing with one of these on.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, and these hats will run $36.95 as well. More hats. They're just so beautiful here. Oh, look at this style hat. Nice. They got elegant women's wear here. Kimonos. A whole special area just for that. You can buy your full fans here. Oh, they've got those kitties that move. Look at them, like bobbleheads. Oh, look at them. That is cool. Yeah, it's hard to get a good camera view without the reflection, but boy, I like the way they set these up in a glass case for you. So you get a look and feel of what it looks like. And these up here, those are in the boxes down here. And that's what they would have looked like set up, and they'll run you $26.95. Look at that plate. Nice wave look. That is beautiful. These are bigger cats that wave and bobble. More bonsais.
That's funny.
They do have a lot of unique.
Yeah. Oh, is these?
These are collectible cards.
Oh, okay.
And a wafer. It says card and wafer.
Oh,
Huh.
all kinds of different
Yeah.
stuff there.
Royal milk tea. That'll do it for this video. If you made it this far, consider subscribing to our channel. Give the video a like and leave a comment, or just drop a heart emoji in the comments. I would really love that. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.